Good evening. Now we will go with fourth problem that is on NPTEL assignment number 4, and then we have this problem that is we have to solve this question, and here we have that is Cy as x1, MC as x2. Then these are considered as redundant forces. The vertical reaction at C and the moment at C. Now if we will see ds, then we have r minus equilibrium equations. Horizontal will not be considered, so 4 minus 2 we have 2, and we have to consider cy and mc. So we have two reactions over here. Horizontal will not be considered because horizontal displacement we have 0 and we cannot find by using this method. Now we will remove first this RC and MC, and then we will write this table as we have in first problem. So we have serial number, then we have region, then we have origin, then we have limit, then we have M, then M1 which is due to VC, and then M2 which is due to MC. So I will show this. So in that case, we have to remove this. So we have 1 over here. When we have Cy equal to 1, so automatically this reaction will go downward 1, and this will be anti-clockwise 1 into 20. So we are going to get it as clockwise 20. This will gives me M1. And now for M2, we have to apply this as anti-clockwise. You can assume any value. So if I will consider it as anti-clockwise 1, then we are going to get value here that is clockwise 1. That's all. This will be for M2. And now we will start with serial number 1 region. We have CB. So we have started from right side. So X we will consider from C, and then we have this value that is equal to origin. We have C, limit 0 to 10. We have minus 10x square by 2, which will be minus 5x square. Now M1, so here we have B. So M1, if I will take this as X, then we have 1 into X. So X. And M2 we have minus 1 plus 1 because we have anti-clockwise. Now go second, which will be now from A side. Now we have summation Fy0, and therefore we will get this reaction 100, and 10 into 10 100. So this will be 200. And then moment due to this 100 into 10. This is due to this, plus due to UDL we have 10 into 10, which will be 100, into from center of this 5 plus 10, and that will be 15. And we will get this value that is equal to 1000 plus 1500. So we will have 100 into 5. Sorry, this is 100 into 5 because we have due to this 100 into 5. So we have 1500 plus this 500. We will get it as 2000. And we have clockwise. So fixed end moment we will get anti-clockwise, which will be 2000. Now we have portion first. I will give this name as D. So we have AD. Origin A, limit we have 0 to 5, and then we have 200 into X minus 2000. Now if we will consider from here, so we have minus 1x plus 20. So minus x plus 20. And then from this we have again 1. Because moment in that case we will get value as it is, no change we will get over here. Then we have third, which will be dB. Origin will be D. Then we have 0 to 5. And then we have from this 200 x plus 5 minus we have 2000. And then we have plus 100 into x. Sorry, minus 100 into x. So due to 200 we have clockwise plus, due to moment anti-clockwise minus, due to 100. So x we have from D. So we have D somewhere here. X we have from D. Here also we have d somewhere here and x is from here. And then we will get it as minus 100x 200x, so we have equal to 100x, so plus 1000, 200 into 5 minus 2000, so 100x minus 1000. Then we have next, that is m1, so we will get this m1 will be minus, sorry, 20, we have 20 minus 1 into x plus 5. And then this again we will get it as 1. And then we have to solve it. So now we have to again go dq11. So we have dq11, that is equal to integration. We have first 0 to 10. This dq11 we have 0 to L m into m1 dx upon ei. And then we have this is equal to 0 to 10 minus 5x cubed, and then we have small m1, that is 5x square into x dx upon ei. Then plus we have second 0 to 5, we have 200 x minus 2000 into 20 minus x, plus we have third 0 to 5 again, and we have this value 100x, that we have simplified, minus 1000 into 15 minus x. And then we have everywhere dx upon ei. And if you solve this, then we will get it as minus 12500 minus 1. Then we have 5 times 3.33, and then minus 47916.67, which will give me minus 193750. So sign convention may get plus minus different. Then we have dql2 over here, which will be 0 to 10. Now this will be 0 to L m into m2 dx upon ei. And then we will get it as 0 to 10. Then we have, this will be minus 5x square into 1 dx upon ei. Then we have 200, 0 to 5, 200x minus 2000 into 1. Then we have dx upon ei plus 0 to 5, 100x minus 1000 into 1 dx upon ei. And from this we will get this value, that is equal to minus 1666.67 minus 7500, sorry, 7500 minus 3750 equal to minus 12916.67. Then we have f1 integration m1 dx upon ei 0 to L. Then we have first 0 to 10 x square dx upon ei. Then we have second term 20 minus x whole square dx upon ei. And third term we have 15 minus x whole square dx upon ei. And we will get it as equal to 333.33 plus 1541.67 plus 791.67, which is equal to 26666.67. Then we have f22, we have 0 to 10, 1 into dx upon ei plus 0 to 5, 1 dx upon ei plus 0 to 5, 1 dx upon ei. We will get it as 10, 10 plus 5 plus 5, and that we will get it as 20. If now I will write f1 2 over here, we have m1 m2 dx upon ei, and that is equal to m1 we have x into 1 0 to 10, then we have plus 0 to 5, then we have 20 minus x into 1 plus 0 to 5, 15 minus x into 1, and this will gives me values 50 plus 87.5 plus 62.5 equal to 200. So we have these values. Now we will see DQL1 we have actually, that is value we have minus 193750, and second value we got 12916.67. So downward clockwise we have. So we have this option is D. Then we will go to the next. So because minus we have therefore downward, and minus because we have assumed anti-clockwise, and minus means we have clockwise. Then we have next values f11 we have 2666.67, then f2 to 20, so we will see 2667, then we have 220. Option for 5 is B. Now we will go to question 6. Now in question 6 we have to solve this. F11 we have 2666.67, that is CY, then we have plus 200 MC, and we have DQL1 that is equal to, we are taking on right side, so 193750, then we have 200 CY, then plus 20 MC, and that is equal to 12916.67. Solve these two equations simultaneously. Cy we have x1, which will be 96.87 kilonewton, and then we have MC that is equal to minus 322.91 kilonewton meter. This is positive, so upward. This is negative, so we have 322.9 kilonewton meter, as we have assumed anti-clockwise. So we have answer will be clockwise because we have minus, and then we have this will be option as A. So we have this will be our problem number 6. So now next problem we will see in our next video. So now we will stop here only. So thank you.